Yoghurt is made from milk, cream, some milk powder and a bit of sugar.
And once they're mixed together, they get sent onto the next part of the factory.
The next stage happens in here, and it's very noisy.
Look at all those pipes. All the ingredients that have now been mixed together are heated up. This is called pasteurization, and it gets rid of any bad bacteria that could be in the milk.
Once it's reached the right temperature, the pasteurized mixture is moved into one of these. They're called incubation tanks, and they are huge. Now a special ingredient is added, and it will turn the milky mixture into yoghurt. This special ingredient is called a starter culture, and it's made of a mix of good bacteria. Bacteria has to be kept in the freezer because as soon as it gets warm and is put in the incubator, it starts to multiply.
The starter culture is added to the yoghurt and then left to get to work.
And when it's added to the milky mixture inside this incubation tank, it starts to multiply. This means that 2 good bacteria become 4, 4 become 8, and 8 become 16, and so on, until you have lots of good bacteria mixed in with the milk. Inside this incubator, the yoghurt has already been mixed, so let's use my special camera to take a look. Whoa! It's so thick and creamy. All of that good bacteria has multiplied and multiplied, which has made everything really thick. It's turned it into yoghurt.
The yoghurt is cooled down to stop the bacteria multiplying anymore, and it's piped into a smaller tank.
This is plain natural yoghurt, and it's lovely on its own. It's great for cooking. You might have even had it on muesli at home. It's now time for the drop test, and this is where the team check that the yoghurt is the right thickness.
If the yoghurt is thick enough, it's ready to go into pots.
The machine works so quickly. 1 dollop of yoghurt in every pot, and look how many pots there are. This factory could make over 1 million pots of yoghurt a day. I love the sound of the lids being glued down onto the pots.
It sounds like a train going over tracks.